Alright, so check this out. I'm doing this partially because a lot of people don't know how to cook lobster, and some people are a little iffy on cooking shrimp, especially certain types of shrimp. I got a buddy of mine who just cooked shrimp for the first time, and he kept referencing back and forth to me like, dude, is this, what do you think, this, that, and the other. So this is a prawn shrimp, okay? Now I'm going to show you how to prep this. It's got the shell and everything on it. You just grab the head and you snap the head right off just like that. Okay, get yourself a pair of kitchen shears and stuff it right in just like this into the shrimp, and go ahead and cut the back, and that'll make it easy for you to peel. Now for a lobster tail, the easiest way to cook them is in the oven. You preheat it to 375, 20, 25, 30 minutes with these guys in there. The shells turn red and voila. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get a good chunk of butter about that size right there. Go ahead and make your boat, set your lobster tail in there, and then take a little bit of lemon juice and squeeze that lemon juice in there, and then go ahead and wrap it up like you would a baked potato, just like that, okay? And then you'll have these put into the oven at 375, and when the shells turn red, they're good to go. As for the shrimp, once you go ahead and cut the back and stuff like that, you can basically stick your thumb in just like this, and it peels right off. Just that easy. Roll it around just like this, and then when you're de-shelling shrimp, remember, you grab the tail and you want to pinch right here on that part. You want to pinch really good so that you can go ahead and pull it out, okay? And don't forget to clean out your mud vein. Just in case you guys are wondering, that's actually the intestinal tract of the shrimp, okay? So don't forget to clean that out. And then after that, you just fry up some veggies. Throw these in towards the end of your veggies being ready to eat, and they'll change color. So I'll show you that here in a second. Alright, so check this out. After about 20 minutes, your lobster tail should be about ready. Okay, and what you're looking for is you're looking for a nice red tail like that. Now I'm going to show you the fast way on how to get the meat out of these when they're not broken or cut or anything, okay? You wait till it cools a little bit and you pick it up just like this. You grab the tail and you snap it off just like that. Take this, place it in your palms like that, and give it a crush. Then after that, you're going to peel it open just like that. And voila. That's literally the fastest way to get the meat out of the shell. Just like that. Okay? See? De-shelled that fast. And then make sure you grab right here, okay? And peel that open just like that to make sure that you're clean. And then put that back into your little canoe that you made out of tin foil, because that's your lemon and butter sauce that you've got for dipping your lobster. Now, as for the rest of my dinner, for my wife and I, just like that. You can see those shrimp in there. They've got some nice color to them. That's the color you want. Otherwise, they're not quite done, all right? So, if you got any questions, drop them in the comments down below. Hit that subscribe button. I just figured I'd post this video just so you guys can see what kind of dinners I normally eat, and to kind of help you out in case you want to go ahead and spoil yourself, all right? So, if you liked anything on the video, leave a like on it, all right? Don't forget that subscribe button. It's always helpful, all right? And then other than that, share it with a friend, and don't forget your notification bell. I'll see you guys later. I'm going to eat this.